Just doing a quick ride today. Right next to the Quantico Marine Corps Museum. 23 lowrider arrests. Quick walk around. The Marine Corps Museum is just beyond these trees. Big shout out to the Great American Convoy and Adam Sandoval. The bike has a stage 2. Jim's V28 21 cams and a Sawiki Speed exhaust. This is a beautiful road to ride in. Going to slow it down a little bit just so I'm not stuck behind that truck up front. There's some nice twisties on this road. Quantico National Cemetery. God bless our veterans. Bike handles this road really well. Easy bike to throw around. Plenty of power. Hot day today too. It's probably in the 90s today. We're in Northern Virginia. Prince William County Park next to us. Riding is strictly pleasure, so I find roads that I like to be on I try to stay away from the main roads as much as possible. It's just not fun for me. I'm not commuting with the bike. It is strictly pleasure. Bike's really quick. I mean, especially with that stage 2. It's got the 117. I just, you know, there's dryways and animals around here, so I'm not gonna do 100 miles an hour. It's all about the journey. You guys know what I mean. Bike's just a lot of fun to ride. On these types of roads especially. And it just handles so well. The bike's just got a lot of agility. How the stock risers. I stopped by Quantico Harley Davidson. I ordered some Thrash and 8-inch risers with a 1-inch extension. I'll be about 9 inches total. Again, just need to watch these side roads. So I think my arms will be like around here with that. Keep the chatter to a minimum. You guys can just enjoy the ride. Shout out to Buck Brown. You guys have to check out his channel. He's riding an Indian Chief. Driving his big rig across the country. Shout out to T out of Pennsylvania. He's got a beautiful Indian Chief as well. He's doing those Insta 360 camera shots. Pittsburgh's a beautiful city. Shout out to Yo Ken. He's got a speed triple and his main bike is a BMW 1250 GS. He helped me out a lot before I purchased this bike. He even made a video. I was just so hesitant about getting back into riding again after about 10 years. Used to ride sports bikes, had Honda CBRs, and I was going for a 1250 GS, and I actually test rode one. It felt like the most perfect bike in the world, and ended up on a lowrider because you know, again, riding strictly pleasure for me, so I'm not doing any long distance touring. And I just wanted something fun to ride on these roads. And We have plenty of these. And the bike to me is super comfortable. I mean, I have the Saddleman seat with the backrest. Of course, the risers would be nice if I had them installed. Got to keep an eye on these cliffs and turns, make sure there's no deer on the way. During the daytime they stay away anyway with the sound of vehicles and whatnot. But like, yeah, I can't see over this at all. If you're a new rider, the only rule you gotta follow is ride your own ride. You don't have to replicate anybody else. Just ride safely. You don't have to ride fast to have fun. It's all about the journey, not the destination. Shout out to my boys in New York. I've been trying to capture this road for you guys for a while now, and it's either my audio is not right or the video not in line with the audio tracks, or there's too much traffic. So I'm glad I'm finally getting it. Thanks, boys. You guys be safe. Watch your six and those stop signs, red lights. Don't sleep on those. Make sure you're watching that rear view mirror and stay on point.